Hello everybody, this is Old Type M87. We got another Loot Crate unboxing for you. This time it's February's unboxing. The theme of that one is haunted, so we're gonna go do that real quick. So here it is. So let's see what we got this month. Alright. So for this month, the shirt looks like it is a Ruby shirt. We got some pretzel sticks like Pocky. Nice. More Ruby. Looks like we got, ooh, it comes with two field notes. Looks like Ruby 248-page memo books. Got one right there, and then another one right there. Interesting. I can't get it back in there, so. We got something from Tokyo Ghoul. Let's see what that is. Like two cups with one with Kaneki. And just that one with the symbols. Got a banner. Soul Eater patch. Noragami Volume 1 manga. Miyazaki will love that one. Ruby bookmark. This month's pen. And the poster. Then the inside of the box. So a fairly good one again, just like last month. So yep, that was February's Loot Crate unboxing. Be sure to join us for March's, and this has been Old Type M for Ragtag Anime Channel. See ya!